Hello everyone, welcome again. My name is Darweesh and today we are studying this grammar. We are studying. What is this grammar, guys? What verb ing reminds you of? Remember, continuous, right? Okay, and we are studying. So are here is present. So present continuous. Very good. Or present progressive. Present continuous or present progressive. Very good. Let's start. Let's answer this question. What are you doing now? Or what are we doing now? So the answer, we are studying English now. Very good. So this is our grammar today. Let's look at the grammar rule. The grammar is, we have we is the subject, are, it is verb be in reality, and verb, we have here the verb, and this is the verb, and here we have ing. Very good. And this is the complement, right? You complete the sentence. Very good. And this is as it's called the keyword that shows you that it is continuous. Good. So let's go and define the word be or verb be. Verb be in present, okay, it goes to is, are, and am. So is goes with she, he, or it. Are goes with they, we, and you. And am for I. Very good. So what you do is the same idea. You have studying English now. So you say she, he, it, no problem. So he is studying English now. She is studying English now. Alright? You can say they are studying English now. You can say we, you, it is fine. I am studying English now. Alright. So this is the present continuous. So the question is, when I want to make this sentence negative, how I make it? It is simple, guys. Don't be confused. So simply, guys, you just write here what? Not. That's it. In this place, between the verb and verb be. Okay? So you say, she is not studying English now. You are not studying English now. Very good. I am not studying English now. Alright? That's it. So how we make it a question? It is pretty easy. We have two kinds of questions. What are they? We have the direct question or WH question. Sorry. Okay. So WH question. Yes, no question. Sorry, guys. So we have two types of questions. All right. So number one, it is when you make it yes, no question. All right. So this is very simple. You just take verb be here in the back, and that's it. All right. So for example, this we take is here. Is he? Remember, guys, to start with a capital. All right. So is he studying English now? You'll answer yes, he is. No, he is not, or he isn't. Okay. Remember, guys, if you say no, he is not, this is wrong. Okay? Remember, you have to have what? Contraction. Very good. We will study later how we make them. We have two ways to make them. So later, not now. Good. WH question, the same structure in here, the same structure. Alright? But what you're going to do is that you say what, you will add it. What is he studying now? You will delay the word English. Okay? Because English is the answer for the word what. So what is he studying now? The answer, he is studying English now. English is the answer. So you took it from this sentence, or you take it from this sentence, because, or from this question, because you're adding what, all right? And what is asking for the English one. Or you can do another thing. If you want to delete this one, the question. Okay, and of course the question with the complement. So what you're gonna do, guys, is you change this one, you say this one, doing. So what is he doing now? The answer, he is studying English now. That's all about it. Now let's go to the spelling, all right, some ideas about the spelling, and how we make the contraction here. Let's go. All right, let's do it. Okay, so about the verbs, guys, remember, if you have the verb ends, I'm talking about present continuous, when you use subject, verb be, verb ing, okay? So when you have the verb ends in E, delete the E, all right? Driving, delete the E and add ing. Very good. Next, study. If you have the verb ends in Y, okay? So don't delete the Y, don't do anything. Just add ing, all right? Very good. The last one, and it is the tricky one. Here we go. Is the most tricky. Okay, so here you have N, M, P, all right? These letters, W. And before them, you have one vowel letter. One vowel letter. So in this case, you need to double the N, okay? Running. And you add ing. Remember, if you have, for example, the word rain, here, okay, so you will write it raining here. Why? Because you have two vowels, two, all right, not one. Good. Another one about the E and about the doubling. For example, if I give you right, okay, so many students are going to, what are you going to do? You have E, so what you will do, you will delete it, all right? You have it here, so you write ing. Maybe some students will tell you, no, we need to ing, because they will tell me, I have the T and I have I before it, which is the same thing in here, right? No, you deleted E, right? It's like this, right? You have E, but here you don't have E. So if you delete E, no doubling, no doubling. Very good. I hope you understand this, guys. Okay, next, remember, not every verb you can add ing to it. In present continuous or present progressive. Remember. For example, love, like, believe. Don't say I am loving you. Wrong. Say I love you. That's it. Okay? Like, believe, the same idea. Good. These, we call them non-action verbs. Non-action verbs. Non means not. Okay? Good. The last point. He is not. How we make the contraction. Here we have contraction. The contraction. You have this way. He isn't. Okay? He isn't. Or he's not. He's not. Alright? So both are correct. It is fine. You can use this or this. Good. Next. They are not. The same idea. They're not. They're not. Okay? Or here. They aren't. They aren't. Good. The last one. So here both are correct. Next. I am not. Am not. Am not. This is correct. But if you say I amn't, this is wrong, guys. Okay? Be careful. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please, if you have any question, you can write it down in the comments. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you, guys. See you.